should have told me, John.
Well, I had it. I just couldn't find it. I was running around this morning trying to find it. No, I didn't. Because then I was like, I just gotta go.
You can't find it.
Oh, baby.
All right, give us something.
Will was late. There you go, everyone. Thanksgiving morning. It's about 5:45 now. We're all laughing about the stories of last night. Will didn't even go to bed, but we got a killer field. Thanks to Johnny. He's been scouting around, and he got us permission on a field right outside of town here. And we're kind of on this hilltop, and it's a little bit flat, and it looks to be fire. So I think we're gonna catch birds off the roost, and we're basically gonna traffic them. But since we're so high and the roost is so low, not horribly far from us, we're expecting them to kind of be low. So we should be able to pull them in, we think, pretty easily. Especially just because they combined this field. How long ago, Johnny?
4 days ago, 3 days ago.
4 days, 3 days?
Yeah.
And you said last night there was geese in here, right?
Oh yeah, I came in here to check it out again last night, and yeah, I scared a bunch of geese up out of here, so.
Sweet. So we're gonna get some, we got the Avian X decoys, and Johnny's got a nice blind for us all to hang out with, so we're gonna get to it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh, brotherly love. What's up, dude?
Not much, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Can't complain. Out here, morning of Thanksgiving. Good day.
Excited.
Good coffee.
We throwing the whole kitchen sink at him? We throwing all the decoys, Will?
Got him, might as well use him.
Big spread.
How's that footage right now, everyone? Leave a comment down below. Is Willie still a little
so shaky?
A little bit shaky? Okay.
So shaky.
Good, good.
Right there.
Yeah, I know. I was just thinking that. Little update here, Willie.
I can't reach it yet.
Got her? Getting nice and cozy up in here.
Well, your bag's
Yeah. Oh, there we go. I don't need it. I got one shell. That's all I need.
yeah, right.
One shell, one bird.
This blind is pretty sweet,
Thanks
folks.
to,
Thanks to Johnny, Mr. Lens.
Mr. Lense. I thought, Luke, you're really going for it today, huh?
I got one bird to shoot. I gotta shoot the best.
Oh, jeez.
What you got?
Here's your pizza, Will.
Oh, you grabbed those.
No, this is mine.
You gotta take that many dumps?
A fresh roll. You get a fresh roll at the beginning of the season. Yeah, but then you can use this for anything. Cleaning your hands, taking a dump. They wipe the best. You need one towel for the dump. It's incredible. It's better than toilet paper.
You heard it here, folks.
That's right.
Bring it back. I'll film. Come on. What you got? I'm willing to trade, Johnny.
A Cliff Bar for a pizza?
What else you got?
How drunk are you?
Some blind gambles right here.
Hold on, I got some stuff too.
Gamble. What do you got? I got a breakfast burrito. What's that get me, Will?
It's like
I got
cold.
these.
Ooh, I'll trade you.
I have a
Wait.
crunched up kind
I
bar.
don't know if I like the kind ones as much.
I have a bag
You gotta do better
of
than
stale goldfish.
Nope, not gonna do it. Johnny, right? I'm not a Cheez-It guy, so
That's,
Oh, dang.
I think that's all I got.
A mini Cliff Bar.
no. I think I'm taking the Velveeta. Thank
Guys,
you
we're in the
very
blind
much.
right now. Look what's going on here.
Hey, you see the birds?
What do we got? What's the deal you guys just had?
Well, I traded Will some little cracker thingies for a slice of pizza.
Back to the basics, folks.
Will got robbed.
Yes, yes, he
Got
did.
robbed. Will's like, this is a great deal. No, it's really
I'm so
not.
pleased with myself right now.
Give us an intro.
Bum, bum,
One
bum.
update.
6:51, Thanksgiving morning. I've said that probably 10 times, but happy Turkey Day, everybody. We're in the blind, and we're all set up. Sun's starting to come up. It's a beautiful morning. Super, super calm. There's zero wind, but it's like 27 degrees. Also, Get a good look at that right there. Ooh, baby. Can you see that, Willie?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we got some hats, baby. About time. But Willie's got the different color on. You'll have to turn around and show him later. Here it is. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. We're gonna get them for sale here shortly. Yeah. So we're allowed to kill one bird a person, I believe. So that's pretty. I don't know. It is what it is, but that's probably why we haven't hunted that much. It does appear that this year there are quite a bit of birds around. So compared to the years past, we threw all our decoys out. Plus Johnny had another dozen. So the shooting lineup: Tyler,
Luke, John,
And yours truly.
Big Chunks.
Wild Billy. So Will promised us a story from the bar later on, so you may want to stick around for that, folks. It's probably going to be pretty good. So anyways, Will apparently had quite the night last night, so if you stick around, he's going to tell us about it later on. We just heard some crazy stuff, so other than that, hopefully we'll see you when some geese start flying.
Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna run through the spread real quick, how we're set up this morning. We got the blind in the hedgerow over there. Johnny's saying that when he's typically out here, he sees them on top of this little knoll. We got the bulk of them out here kind of cresting over this ridge going down. A few more angled back towards the blind, and then we got like a 4 or 5 pack kind of working their way up to the top of the knoll. So again, the idea is that they come in to this area over here, and that's where we'll get them.
Don't do anything. Wait. Let him land. Don't move. Let him land. You ready? Do it.
I drop that thing like a bad habit.
I shot it a second time for fun.
All right, get it covered up. We'll see if we get him back.
Load up.
Don't knock over my coffee.
Let me see if I can call him back. Do you see him, John?
No, I can't.
We shot one.
I know we shot two or three.
Oh, did we really?
Yeah.
2 for sure. I friggin' nailed that baby.
I'm pretty sure I shot one too.
Is this high enough? No.
Here, Luke, you can just hang here. I'll go.
I'm just gonna chill here.
Yeah.
I hear him.
Do you? All right, guys. So we just had that flock. We weren't even paying attention. It came in real quiet. Probably 10. I think we shot 2. They did it nice, right, John?
Oh, that is beautiful.
Oh yeah. You see him? Yeah. Where? Here we go, boys. Where they at, John? Get in. All right, guys, so we were just hanging out here. Luke was making some coffee, and we looked up and we're like, oh crap, there's birds right here. They flew straight over us, circled once, and then they just hovered right into the decoys. It was super cool. So we killed 2, so we have a couple more to kill, and we're gonna keep hanging out. What do you guys have to say?
Worked real well. Landed. Got him fooled. Good. It was a good time.
Johnny?
Keep him coming, baby.
Keep them coming. All right, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. That's our limit, boys. Oh my goodness. Yep, that's our limit. All right, guys, we got one. Luke ripped his head off, but yeah, so that's our limit. That's 3 birds. Will left because he's a loser. So we're gonna clean up here, and that's a wrap. We got 3 birds, 3-man limit. You're only allowed to kill 1 bird in New Jersey, so kind of sucks. But Luke's got the one right there. If you come over here, 2 more right here. So it's been an awesome morning. So we killed a couple birds. We had a good morning hunt. Sucks right now, the limit's only 1 bird a person in here in New Jersey. Later on in the year, as the new year comes in, I think it goes up to 5 we were looking, so that's better. But we had a good morning hunt, and now we're gonna go have a Thanksgiving feast. You jacked about it, John?
Oh, I can't wait. I'm hungry.
Yeah. This is a nice change of pace from deer hunting. It's been pretty slow for us, so nice to get out in the blind with some friends and have a good hunt. So have a happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe. Later, guys.
Peace.